So remember last week I bring the Gundam Seed Freedom version.
Yeah.
And
the
that
baddie.
Yeah.
That you said's not baddie.
Yeah, the Gundam hiding in the baddie.
Yeah.
That one is a very unique and outstanding kit. And today I'm going to bring another HGCE kit, but it's very underrated, but same high quality, I would say. Yeah.
Show me.
This one.
What is it?
It's a Gian Storm Agnes. I don't know the last name for the pilot, but I can't pronounce it.
Gian Storm Agnes. And this is from what series is this from?
From Gundam Seed Freedom.
Ah, Seed Freedom.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And this isn't the newest series, is it?
Yes. This is one of the newest released in the HGCE production line.
Yeah. And that CE stands for
the time setting, the story settings.
Cosmic era, right?
Yeah.
CE Cosmic era.
Yeah, comparing to Universal Centuries. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So
you're going to have a look inside?
Yes, let's start from looking inside.
The most important to me is the colors. I love the colors of the kits.
Yeah, the box art are always so amazing, I would say.
Isn't it good? The people with Gundam, do they keep the boxes or do they just throw them when they build it? We
keep the box.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's very hard to make us throw the box away.
Do you keep the sprues or no? Surely not.
No.
No, you don't keep the sprues, but you keep the box.
Yeah.
And it's literally like art, isn't it? It's like the art that you make is very much like the box art on here, right?
Yeah. I would say this kit, if you are an action pose lover rather than the shelf queen collector, this one is the best.
What did you say? So action pose collector versus shelf queen collector.
Yeah. So I know some of the people always posting their Gunplas in different poses.
So after they built it, they'll put it on the shelf.
Yeah. Someone would like to keep in the shelf forever, keeping the same pose.
Then the next day they'll come back, change the pose, and put it back on the shelf.
Yeah.
In a different pose.
Yeah. And someone is just I want to make a series of photographs. I would like to take some photos for the
Really?
Yeah. So they will keep changing the pose during the day.
So you could also make a stop motion.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So there's people out there that do stop motion with their own models.
Yeah.
Oh, we got to find one of these people.
I can do
Would
that.
Can you?
Yes. I wasn't.
You've dogged yourself in now. There's another tutorial. There's another tutorial coming up. Stop motion with Kawa. Yeah?
Stay tuned.
Gee, you keep dobbing yourself in for all these ones. All right, so let's have a look in the box here and see what we are working with.
Yeah. So this kit is it's perfect choice if you like to pose your Gunpla in some extreme angles or perspectives, bending the waist to very, very extensive level.
So it has good mobility.
Yes.
So it's like a gymnast.
Yes.
As far as Gundams are concerned, he's like a gymnast.
Yes.
This guy.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. It has the special shoulder connection joint to keep the shoulder very poseable, even with the very giant shoulder armors.
With the again, beautiful engineering, and his neck too.
Yes.
He can look up and down.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the shoulder one that you were talking about. And the body also has different jointing as well.
Yes. And let's see what's inside. So in this kit, we have the very special semi-gloss gold. If you...
Do you want me to go zoom in a bit?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it's a very special semi-gloss.
I love the textures.
I know.
The colors are one thing, but to actually get different levels of textures with them.
Yes. And it's if you like some fighting pose, close range fighting pose for your Gunplas, this would be the best kit.
Really?
Yes. As you could see on the weapons. Is it an axe?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Axe?
With
Shield.
Yeah, with the shield, and also a very basic drive gun.
So he likes to hit people, not really just shoot them from a long distance with a cannon.
Yes, yes.
That is so cool.
Yeah, and the shield, I would say, is one of the special point for this kit. Bandai designed 2 different ways of how to make the gunpla, how to make the Gyan Storm holding the shield.
Yeah.
Like, you can either attach to the arms with the snap fit structure.
Yeah.
Or you can literally, there is a little small there is a small gold handle.
Yeah.
So you can put in the hand parts, attach to the hand parts, and it's very powerful handle because it includes.
So there's 2 kinds of joints. Is that what you're saying?
2 different ways.
Yeah, 2 different ways you can do it.
Yeah.
Like options.
Yeah, and this time Bandai finally giving us the special effect parts along with the kit.
Special impact parts.
Effects like.
Oh, the effects parts.
Yeah,
right.
yeah. So you can.
The zoomies.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
That's
funny because they don't show that on the box. Oh, they do.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Oh, so this part here.
Yes.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
You better stop talking because that's 2 tutorials now. So now you got to do scribing lines.
Yeah.
And now you got to do stop anime with Gundam. Oh my lord, you're going to be a busy lady. Hey?
I will.
You're
Yeah.
going to be a busy lady.
Yeah.
All right. You thought